Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to accept rides on your Uber driver app. So let's get started. So to go online, we'll just select the Go button. Now we're online and open to requests. Alright, so our request has come in. You have 10 seconds to decide if you want to accept the request, and you can see all of the upfront details. You can see that this is an UberX ride. The upfront fare is $5. The passenger's rating is 4.89. The distance to the pickup location is 6 minutes and 3.1 miles away, and it is located in the city of San Francisco. The distance from the pickup location to the drop-off location is 3 minutes and 0.8 miles. The drop-off location address is 1300 Gray Fox Road in Arden Hills. On the map, you can see that the pickup location is the blue circle with the person in it, and the drop-off location is the black circle with the square in it. If you do want to decline a request, there's that X in the top right corner. And if you want to accept the request, you just press the accept button at the bottom. Alright, so I've accepted the ride. That's it, guys. Hopefully you found the video helpful, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.